Welcome back to the practice, and this is a nice quick 10-minute bedtime yoga practice. So if you want to meet me on your mat, we're going to lie back onto our backs. And bring the feet out nice and wide to the sides of the mat and let both knees fall in together. Bring the arms out nice and wide, relax your shoulders and close the eyes. And start to bring the feet closer together, and one by one you're going to lift the feet up and bring the knees in towards the belly. Stay here and hold it for a few deep breaths, a nice wind relieving posture, so this is going to help with any bloating, any trapped gas. And extend the right leg down the mat, keep the left knee hugged in. Try to squeeze it in as close as you can towards the tummy. Keep your right hand on top of that left knee and bring the left arm out to the side. Let the back of the left hand rest down onto the ground and just draw the left knee over towards the right side as you turn the gaze over towards the left. Pause in there in your supine spinal twist. Turn the gaze up towards the sky as you gently roll back onto your back. Squeeze that left knee back in, lift the right knee up and extend that left leg down. Hug the right knee in just for a few moments. Keep the left hand on top of that right knee and extend that right arm out to the side. And again, you're going to draw the right knee over towards the left as you turn the gaze over towards the right. Take a few deep breaths. And turn the gaze up towards the sky and gently roll back onto your back. Squeeze the right knee in and then lift the left knee up to join it. This time we're going to try to grab the outer edges of the feet and we'll come into our happy baby. If you can't reach the feet, then you can grab the ankles or the backs of the knees. And we'll hang out here for a few deep breaths. And gently bring the feet back together, release the hands, hug the knees back in, hold it there for a few deep breaths. And bring the arms out nice and wide. Bring the feet out wider than hip width, so about the width of the mat or even wider. And then just windshield wiper the knees down towards the left side. Lift them up and windshield wiper towards the right side. And just continue to do that movement just for a few times. And come back to center. Then bring the heels nice and close up towards the bum. Turn the feet so the soles of the feet are connected and let the knees naturally open up and fall to the sides. Relax the upper back and your shoulders. Gently bring those knees back together. You can lift the feet up, bring the knees back in towards the belly, squeeze them in. And for the last one, we'll make our way up. So for the last one, we're going to come into our legs up the wall. You can use a pillow or a block or a folded blanket for underneath your bum. So if you can, just come down nice and close to the wall and lie on your side. Bring your bum as far as you can in towards the wall. And then when you're ready, just roll onto your back and bring your feet and your legs up the wall. Bring your arms out nice and wide. You can open the legs up nice and wide, or you can keep them closer together. Hold it there and just let your whole body relax. You can stay here for as long as you need to or for as long as you wish. I'm going to slowly start to bend my knees, bring my knees in towards the belly, and then gently roll to the side and push my body up with my hands. Thank you for joining me in this nice bedtime practice. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy the content on my channel and want to practice with me some more, then hit the subscribe button and I will see you all in the next one.